In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Jira with Sharepoint. The simplest and most reliable way to connect Jira and Sharepoint is by using a dedicated connector app from the Atlassian Marketplace. This type of app lets you link SharePoint or OneDrive documents and folders directly to Jira issues, so your team can keep work items and files together in one place. It also helps with permission management, since access is still controlled through your Microsoft 365 and SharePoint settings. To begin, sign into Jira and go to your main landing area, often labeled for you. From there, open the Jira Marketplace area. In many Jira layouts, you will access this through the top navigation or the Apps and Marketplace options in the menu. Once you are on the Marketplace Discover page, click into the search field, type SharePoint into the search bar, and run the search. In the results list, look for an app named SharePoint Connector for Jira. There are a few similar options depending on your Jira version and Marketplace listings, so make sure you are selecting the connector that clearly mentions SharePoint integration for Jira. Open the app listing to view its details. Take a moment to scan the page so you understand what it supports, such as linking files, folders, or lists, and whether it works with SharePoint Online, OneDrive, or both. When you are ready to proceed, click Try It Free. Next, continue through the checkout style flow by selecting Review and then Start Free Trial. During installation, Jira may show a couple of confirmation prompts or informational pop-ups. Continue through those prompts, and if you see a message that you no longer need, select Dismiss to close it and return to the main screen. After the app is installed and your trial is active, you will typically complete authentication in the app configuration by authorizing access to your Microsoft 365 account. This is what allows Jira to connect to your SharePoint environment. Once authorized, you can go into a Jira issue and use the SharePoint or OneDrive app panel to link the specific documents or folders that belong with that work item. Some setups also offer optional webhook configuration to keep updates in sync automatically, and that is all there is to it.